god, hey y'all, how are y'all doing? Oh my goodness, to my returning subscribers, oh my god. Hey, how y'all doing? Lord, thank y'all so much for rocking with me thus far. And to all the new people, hey, how are you guys doing as well? I am the crazy Nola Viva. Ooh, it's been a minute because it's been crazy. But one thing I am happy to see currently is all the people that are protesting, donating, speaking up, signing petitions. That just makes me feel a lot better that we have so many people wanting change in this world, positive change. We're gonna shout some black-owned businesses today, okay? Yes, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I am happy because I got my passion twist. And finally, this is 3 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks. But today what I'm gonna be talking about is the craziness that I went through as far as getting these passion twists in. I done tried like so many different methods to get them right as a beginner. So I'm gonna just talk to y'all about those struggles and maybe hopefully help someone who is a beginner. If you want to skip forward, I will have a timestamp for you because I'm finna get real talkative. So you might want to grab some of your snacks, girl. Go grab your little sweet tea chai. Go grab your little drink. You know. So long time ago, way back in February, okay, I had got some free passion twists, and so I was like, okay, yes, let me pop in these twists and start looking cute, and you know, it's a protective style. So I did some research as far as like how to apply them. Like I watched YouTube videos. So what I decided to do was basically go ahead and braid the middle part of my hair down and just do the edges as individuals. But then I realized that the part is like flowing, I'll have to get that up. I don't know how to explain this, so I'm just gonna show this little clip right here. Basically, I tried to do this. I don't know, I guess because maybe my hair was straight, it just wasn't really working out for me, okay? So I was like, scratch that. So then I decided to braid my hair all the way down in the back. And I figured, maybe I can try to sew it. Knowing damn well I'm not good with sewing either. And look at this monstrosity, okay? Once I realized what madness this was occurring behind my head, on the back of my head, I was like, okay, no, this clearly is not gonna work either. So then I just took it out and I was like, okay, let me just wrap my hair for a little bit. So then a few days later, I was like, let me do these individuals. Oh my God, this is so hard to do. Like the parting, like first time doing something like this for the first time, parting is stressful. Okay, and the reason why you see me with twists is because I watched Kiki J's video, the beautiful Kiki J, talented Kiki J as well. So I tried to untwist the actual pre-twisted passion twist that I had. Now listen to me. This particular set of twists that I had, so basically, when I realized that wasn't going to work, I only had a few options. So what I decided to do was try to twist my own hair around. I tried to twist my own hair around the twist. Now I knew very well that this was not gonna last, okay? It's just, you know how you're so desperate to get the hairstyle done, like you've been working on this for hours. You're like, ain't no turning back. We're gonna have to finesse this. This is what I basically did. And it was holding up. It was working. So then I decided I was gonna try another method that I seen. So this method is basically just taking a crochet needle and like going through the passion twist and grabbing your own hair and then pulling that through. And let me tell you something about that method right there. Don't try that. If you're a beginner, don't try it. Even though it does work, the problem with this particular method is it's very difficult. Like it looks a lot easier than what it is. And the hardest part I think is like you have to be looking and seeing like what you're doing, like where you're going and stuff like that. And so when you get to the back, it's gonna be like, what it's gonna be extremely difficult. Not to mention I feel like it takes a lot more time because you have to do it in sections of like going through twists. And at that point, it's just like you might as well twist it up yourself. This is basically what it looked like once I had completed it. And like I said, I already knew this wasn't gonna last long, but I was determined to get it up, at least to rock it for a day, you know what I'm saying? Well, I was saying, because I wasn't gonna go back. It just started looking busted, dusted, and crusted. Okay, so I already knew, like, yeah, we're gonna have to cut this and we're gonna have to redo this. I decided to have my sister-in-law do the passion twist for me. She actually decided to do, you know, this method, which is the braiding your hair. Now, she did this really unique style of braiding that, you know, she said would look very natural. It would look like individuals, basically. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you right here the actual difference between the twists. The one on the left is the one I hate, and then the one on the right are the new ones, which I absolutely love, because these ones were very thick and juicy. They had a beautiful shine. They were super soft. So once I was done, these were my thighs. I love that it's much more full now, and this is actually different hair mixed in with the other hair that I had. But that's been my whole thing that I didn't really like about crochet, is it doesn't look all that natural in the front to me, and it's very, I feel it's like limited. Like, my style is limited right now. And when I say it's limited, I meant as far as like being able to pull it up in a ponytail, because with the way that the back was, which I'm going to show you in the next clip, it just wouldn't have looked right. Now, these passion twists, like this entire style, like I love this. Like, if y'all seen my this video right here where I was, you know, showing off my outfits, I loved how it looked. It was just the edges weren't really that cute to me, especially like on that one side. I just wish that they were individual right there. So y'all, I had to take the hairstyle out in literally 1 week. I only wore it for 1 week because the back of my hair, look at this, I had all these little bumps because I guess like the way my sister-in-law braided my hair, it was like a lot of tension, which was crazy because I didn't feel anything for a few days. Like, it felt perfectly fine. I would have told her when she was braiding my hair, but I guess, I don't know, my head was sensitive. Little determined me, I was like, let's try this again. So, and I'm gonna make sure I do it myself. So, tip to all my newbies of doing passion twists: get you 2 chairs, okay? Get 2 chairs, find a nice little place that you can sit on the floor, and get you 2 mirrors. You're gonna need 2 mirrors. This is going to help you to be able to see the back of your head and get very nice, sharp lines when you're parting. But one thing I will say is you don't even need sharp lines. But in reality, my hair, like the other twists are going to be covering the parts. Just do the ones on the edge, okay? Make sure those are nice and sharp, okay? This time around, if you didn't notice why my hair was looking so busted, dusty, and crusted the first time, is because I didn't put nothing on my roots. What was I thinking? I don't know. So I got the Just For Me Curl Piece Braiding and Twisting Grip Glaze. I know, before y'all come for me in the comments, this is not for grown folks. This ain't for grown folks, this is for kids, okay? So even though this is for kids, the reason why I got this is because it comes with flaxseed, avocado oil, and black castor oil, and it holds and reduces frizz, okay? And it smells really, really good, and it has a nice like tackiness to it, and it was free, okay? Yeah, it was free. So that is why I decided to use this particular product. So after applying this to my roots, what you have to do that I didn't mention prior is you need to braid first. You need to braid your hair, and then you start to twist it. This is what will have it so that it's secure, so you can slide your little passion twist through it and keep it in place, okay? So this is what came out, you know, my little bitty twist looking all juicy and cute. Okay, so if you are someone who struggles with dandruff, make sure you get you some, what is it, sulfur 8? Yeah, sulfur 8. Get you some sulfur 8 and use that on your scalp. That will do absolute wonders, especially if you want to keep this in for a long time like me, where I'm keeping this in for a month. So I took 2 strands and I went ahead and, you know, separated them, as a lot of people say to do. You separate them, and then I went ahead and, you know, pulled it through and began to twist. Now, what I did with this time differently is I actually 3-strand twisted. And so once I was finished, as you can see here, my hair is actually popping out of the sides of the twist. So that is definitely not gonna fly. Not to mention the twist, I don't even like how the actual twist itself look. So I unraveled it and I decided to do the other method as far as splitting your hair in 2 and then twisting, you know, as normal regular 2-strand twist. And that did come out better, but I still didn't like how the twist looked compared to an already done twist like these. Do you see how nice and formed that is? I did not like that. Now, I did something different here. As you can see clearly, my twist looked completely different on the right side. And I like those twists. I wanted my twist to continue to look like that. So let me show you what I did. The hair in the form that it came in, I didn't separate it. So I took 2 pieces and I just went ahead and crocheted in, and I started to 3-strand twist my hair. And the reason I like 3-strand twisting is because I feel like it conceals, like it's literally like concealing the hair in between. But for some reason, even though I did the exact same thing I did with those ones in the back, it came out different. And I started to guess maybe it was because I did it I twisted in a different direction. So I reversed the twist, still came out a mess. And as you can see, here's the difference, even though I did the same method. Now, I thought maybe it was because of my actual twist, that maybe my actual twists were all different sizes and that was affecting how the twist was coming out. So either way, I was just over it at that point because it was really pissing me off. Y'all have no idea. I had to literally go outside and sit in the car. I was literally sitting in the car like this. Like, y'all have no clue. So, but again, I'm determined. We gotta stay determined. So let me put y'all on. If y'all don't already know, thank God it's natural. Honey, they're black owned. And not only that, they have amazing natural hair care products. And one of the products that I'm going to be telling you that you literally need in your life, definitely get this if you're going to be doing a protective style. This is the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. I've already been using this for over a year now, okay? So I know that this stuff works amazing, especially for longevity with protective styles. It's formulated to be very, very deeply moisturizing, like so that it'll last you a long time, and it truly does that. I use this for my twists underneath my wigs weeks at a time, and when I take it out, my hair is still very moisturized. You can still see the shine on my hair. The other product that I use and I recommend that is also from a black owned business, this is a smaller black owned brand, but they have amazing products as well. This is Classy Hair Products. This stuff right here is a wonderful moisturizer cream. I'm just gonna show y'all better than I can tell y'all. So I decided to go ahead and braid up my hair. I did this so that I could elongate my hair. My hair is completely dry, but I decided to go ahead and unravel one so that you can see. Look at this moisture. Oh my God. When I tell you, this is literally like how my hair is going to look when I take it out, like 3 weeks or the month from now. I'm not kidding. So finally, these are the passion twists that I have in my hair now. So these are the pre-twisted, pre-looped passion twists that I can actually unravel and retwist, and it looks amazing. Now let me say this, if you're someone like me who's a perfectionist and you want your twist to look a certain way and you're kind of irritated with the differences of trying to like twist the hair yourself, then I actually recommend you get pre-twisted hair already. So now this is what it came out looking like. I did three strand twists in this hair as well here, and I love how the ends, look at the ends, y'all, look at the ends. The ends are just so perfect. I don't have to stress about the ends looking a mess. There's no shedding really with the ends and stuff like that. So here I am just kind of slowly showing all my newbies out there how I went ahead and 3-strand twisted my hair. You want to hold your twist in the middle and just literally use the other 2 strands of the passion twist and just literally go around. So you're just going to continue to do that until you get to the end, and here we are. So this is what it looks like. I think it came with 3 packs. Yes, 3 packs of passion twist, and so I ordered 2 sets of that. This is just 1 set. Okay, so this is all the hair in the front, so I can show y'all the fullness and the length. This is also 18 inches of hair as well, but when you twist it, unravel and twist it, it gets longer. It looks as if it's like 20 inches or longer to me. So here's an awesome tip if you like me, like full hair. So I didn't like how thin this was looking, because that's the thing, when you do individuals, it comes out thinner than if you do if you braid everything and just crochet it in. What you can do is literally crochet another twist onto, like literally onto the same like section of hair, of your own hair that you had already did, so that you basically just now have 2 coming out of 1 section. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna be different lengths, so all you gotta do is just really literally unravel it at the end and just ravel it down some more, and you'll have them at the same length. So here is my hair before I added the extra pieces in, and here is my hair after I added the extra pieces in. So there is a huge difference. You can see that you get so much more volume by doing that, and it still looks very well. I didn't put it on that very bottom row, just all the ones above it. So boom, y'all, here we go. Look at me, looking slam, looking amazing. So this is my hair at 2 weeks, and it did start to, like, my actual twist started to come out, and like these little 2 pieces right here. I didn't really notice that in other pieces of my hair, just mainly these, I guess, because I keep them out in front. So I think I used, what, 6 packs in total, but it's like a lot on 1 pack. Just check the description. I have the exact link. I got the hair from Amazon. Woo! So that was my entire struggles when it came to trying to put passion twist in myself. It's probably just me. It's probably just me. But I still wanted to share my crazy experience with you guys and to recommend some really nice twisting here. Now, if you do know how to braid, you do know how to sew and all that stuff, definitely braid like half of your hair down if you are wanting to save time. Like if you want, like I said, like just braid the middle part and crochet all that in, and then use the edges to just do the individuals. If you are able to do that, then I recommend that definitely, because that's going to be the quickest and the best looking overall, honestly. But thank you so much for watching my video. Please give a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and make sure you subscribe to this channel as well to get some more awesome videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.